Hello, it's Ashley at the Cosmetic Formulator, and today we're going to be making coffee massage bars. We are working in collaboration with Mystic Moments, who have kindly provided all the ingredients needed for this formula. So let's get into it. This recipe is going to make 300 grams worth of massage bars, which works out to about 4 bars each. You can find the full written recipe for these massage bars linked in the caption below. So let's get into it. First, we're going to measure 90 grams of shea butter. Then we're going to measure 102 grams of white beeswax. Then we're going to measure 105 grams of cocoa butter. Fill a pan with boiling water. Now this is going to form your water bath. Then you want to place all the ingredients that you just measured out into your water bath and allow that to fully melt down. The white beeswax does have a high melting point, so this can take a while, but rest assured it will melt down. Once it's completely melted, it's ready to remove from the heat. Then you want to add 3 grams of vitamin E oil. Then give it a good stir to make sure that the vitamin E oil has incorporated with the rest of the oils and waxes. Get your mould ready and sprinkle some coffee beans in the bottom. We're going to want to work fast because the oils will begin to set as soon as they are removed from the heat. Then pour the oil mixture into the moulds. Once the bars have semi-set, sprinkle some more coffee beans onto the top. Then allow the bars to set overnight. If you are a little impatient and you want this done quicker, you can pop them in the fridge and this will just help them to set quicker. Then once the bars have fully set, they are ready to remove from the molds and ready to use. How exciting! And that's it, guys. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this formula. Let me know in the comments below what you think and any other tutorials you would like me to do.